Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel NTS Guru. Today's topic is derivation of algebraic identities. After taking this lecture, there will be no need of memorization of algebraic identities. It will take just 1 or 2 minutes to derive them. So, two main points to memorize. One is number of terms in an expression, and second is Pascal triangle. What is the number of terms? A plus b whole square. There will be always 3 terms because the power is 2, so number of terms will be always greater than one term greater than the power. So if there will be a plus b whole cube, there will be 4 terms. 4 is 1 greater than 3. If there is a plus 4 whole 4, then there will be 5 terms, so 1 term greater than the power. So if there will be a plus 5 whole to power 5, then there will be 6 terms. Second thing is Pascal's triangle. What is Pascal triangle? Draw rows, write down 1 at the start. There will be always starting and ending at 1. Row will start 1 and end with 1, and there 1 term will be increased in each row. First row will 1 term, second row will 2 term, third row will be 3 term, and fourth row will be 4 term, and fifth row will be 5 term. So always start with 1. So we will write 1 here. So this is starting and ending. There are only 2 terms, so we will write 1. 1 term increase. In the second row there are 2 terms. In the third row there will be 3 terms. So we will write 1 here. And the middle term will be sum of these 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So in the fourth row, starting and ending with 1. So here comes 1 plus 2 is 3 and 2 plus 1 is 3. We have 4 terms. In the fifth row there will be 5 terms starting and ending with 1. Here we will write 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is Pascal's triangle. Now how to derive a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square. So point 1, number of terms, there will be always 1 term greater than the power. So there will be 1, 2 and 3 terms. So check in the Pascal triangles in which row there are 3 terms. The third row there are 3 terms. So write down the coefficients. The coefficients will come from the Pascal triangle. 1, 2 and 1. These are coefficients. And how to write the, now look at a. First term is a, and the highest power if a is square. So we will write down here a square and keep decreasing the power of a power 1, and here will be a power 0. As we know, a power 0 equal to 1, so there is no need to write a power 0. Next term is b, second term is b. So from right side, write down the with highest power and keep decreasing. So b power 0 will be 1, so there is no need to write b power. So how we will write sign? As there is plus term, so write down all with plus. So let's take another example. A plus b whole cube. As power is 3, so 3 power, there will be 4 terms. Check in Pascal triangle in which row there are 4 terms. In this row there are 4 terms. So write down the coefficients. These will be coefficients 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1. So write down the coefficients from the 4th row. First is 1, second is 3, third is again 3, and next one is 1. So So how to write a and b? A highest power is 3, so write down here as a cube. Keep decreasing. Power of a power 0 is 1. So next term is b. B highest power is cube. So from right side start decreasing. B square, b1 and b0. So how to write sign? So how to write sign? As there is plus sign, so write down plus with all the terms. So next is a minus b whole square. As power is 2. So for 2 powers there will be 3 terms. 1 2 and 3
points to memorize.
And
Check
number of
Pascal's
terms,
triangle,
which row has 2 terms.
Second is Pascal triangle. What is the number of terms?
Which row has 3 terms?
A plus b whole
Row
square.
3 has 3 terms, 1 2 and 1. These will be coefficients of this
3 terms
1 2 and
because
1.
the power
As a
is
highest
2.
power is
So
2,
number
so
of
start
terms will be
decreasing
always greater
a
than 1
power from left side.
one term
A
greater
power
than
0
the
is 1.
power.
At
So
right
if
side
there
is
will be
b
a plus b whole cube.
highest power is 4
2,
terms.
4
So
is
start
1 greater
decreasing
than
b
3.
power.
If there is a plus b,
As b
a
power
plus
0 is
4
1,
whole
so
4,
there is no need to
then
write
there will
b
be
power 0.
5 terms.
As
So
sign is plus,
one term
so
greater
in
than
case,
the power.
sign is negative.
So if there will be a
case
plus
of
5
negative sign,
power
we
5,
will write
then there will be
alternatively
6 terms. Second
plus
thing is
and negative
Pascal's
sign
triangle.
in
What
the
is Pascal triangle?
result. Here will be plus, here will be negative, here will be
rows
plus. So a minus b whole square will be,
write down 1 at the
plus
start.
b square. Next term
There
is
will be
a minus b
starting
whole cube,
and ending at
as we
1.
discussed previously. For 3
2
parts there will
start
be
1
4 terms.
and end with
Check
1.
out which
and there one term will
row
be
has 4
increased in
terms.
each row.
This row will have 4 terms.
First,
So the 1 3 3 1
row
will be
will 1 term.
coefficients. 1
Second row
3
will 2 term,
1 will
third
be
row will be 3
coefficients,
term, and
and
fourth row will be 4 term,
highest
and
power
fifth row
3.
will
Start
be
decreasing
5
a
term.
power.
So always start with 1.
No need to write a0.
So we
Right
write
side
1
b
here.
power 3. So start decreasing b power. So how to write
this is
negative?
starting and ending. There are only 2 terms, so we will write
For negative sign, we will write alternately
term
positive,
increase.
negative,
In the second row
positive,
there are 2
negative.
terms. In the third
So
row
this
there
will be a
3
cube
terms.
minus 3
So we will write
a
1
square
here.
b plus 3ab square
In the middle term
minus
will be
b
sum
cubed.
of
So this will be the result
1 plus
of
1 is
a minus
2.
b whole cube.
So
In the next lecture we will discuss how to derive a cube plus b cube and a cube
so
minus b cube.
1 plus 2 is 3.
वीडियो
2
पसंद
plus
आए
1
तो
is
लाइक और शेयर जरूर
3.
कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना
In the
भूलिए।
fifth row there will